All right, guys, so we're out here on this beautiful day. I'm Mebo. As you guys all know, we're reviewing the Chord X bike today, and this is special because it's for women like me. So this one, I really liked it. I liked basically the flow of the bike. It was nice because you can control the different speeds, and it has a really nice screen in the front where you can connect your phone, play music, there's GPS, there's games. It's wonderful. I love it. And I really like this as well, and how it's low, not like high like for the men. Very comfortable seating, and I honestly enjoyed it.
Hey guys, welcome back to an all-new episode of Conflicts. Today we'll be looking at, once again, the Urtopia Chord. Now this year's actually designed for females, and which is actually a step-through design, making it more easier to go ahead and hop on and hop off, which my wife will be reviewing today. But I'll be unboxing it as well as building and kind of showcasing how does it look. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so this here's our packaging, this here's our box, very similar to the other one that we reviewed. Let's go ahead and open it up and see what's inside. Alright, so this is what it looks like inside the box. You can see everything nicely packaged. You see there's a lot of different foam pieces, a lot of cardboard. Let's go ahead and just take everything out and see what we're working with. Alright, so this here's our frame. So we're going to be mounting on our handlebar as well as our front wheel, and then mounting in the battery. Again, a very low profile bike, definitely makes it more easier to hop on as well as ride. Alright, so let's go ahead and just start unwrapping things a little bit more and seeing what exactly we're working with. Alright, so this is it outside of the box, and overall pretty simple design. Majority of it's already built. It's going to be mounting on the front wheel, which is right over there, as well as the fenders, and then you also have your seat, you have your battery, as well as your kickstand to go ahead and mount on. Now there also is an accessory box, which is assembly parts right over here, which everything seems to be nicely labeled, as you can see as we're kind of looking at it. So one thing we do get is some sticker sheets. You can go ahead and customize your bike based on your liking. And then we get our user manual or owner's manual here, kind of explaining how to go ahead and build this. We have our Smart Bar Urtopia. So this thing's actually pretty cool because one, you can go ahead and update it or upgrade it anytime you like. It's not built into the actual bike itself like some of the original ones. This one here is designed so you can go ahead and swap it out, and then you can go ahead and upgrade as necessary, so you don't really have to keep buying new bikes. So you got the same display as the previous one, which is a touchscreen, as well as app capability, allowing you to go ahead and use GPS, as well as play games and a variety of other fun features. It does come with its own little toolbox, so that's kind of nice too. So we have a toolbox in here, and then we have our bike charger, as well as certain components, which include the pedals, and then a few other brackets as well. So let's go ahead and build this thing next and see what this thing looks complete. Bring it. Alright, so we're outside on this beautiful day, finally built it. Overall, pretty simple concept. This one's actually a little bit easier in my perspective compared to the original. Maybe I just have the experience now. But yeah, definitely a really cool looking e-bike. You have the sophisticated high gloss white finish with the piano black eye stripping. And then you actually have the able to go ahead and customize it with these decals. They have some cool looking ones, including some hearts, which is actually pretty fun. Now, other than that, it has the same exact features as the previous one. So you just go ahead and turn it on here by simply holding the on button. All right, so kind of showcase this particular screen just a little bit. So you have your controls on the left side here. So if I hit the left button here, it'll actually go through the different menus. So this will show the outside temperature as well as the time. Press it again, it'll show the current battery voltage, etc. As well as like your exact how many distances you're traveling. Now if I go ahead and hit right, it'll go into the other way, and you just go ahead and flip between the different screens based on your preference. Now if I hit up, this will go to the different speed modes. If I hold up, it'll go to turbo mode. So this is turbo mode. And it's essentially more pedal assist and kind of giving you a higher end speed. If I hit down, it'll kind of downshift to different lower modes. And if I hit the center button, it's the horn. If I hold it, it'll go into speaking mode, light on.
Light on.
And just like that, the light was going on. You can turn it off the same way. Light off.
Light off.
Now, over here is going to be your touch sensor right there. So you can go and open it by simply pressing it just like this. And you're back in it. Now, aside that, you do have the app control. All right, so this here is our app, kind of showing our distances in terms of writing stats. You can see all the different temperatures outside, the humidity outside, etc. So that's kind of nice, kind of gives you a full persona of what's happening. I can also see around me what's happening in terms of other riders and what they're doing. And if I go here, I have the control over the specific bikes. All right, so now we're connected. So I can go ahead and lock it by hitting the left button here. All right, so now it's locked. I can make it beep if I want to find it. I can do alarm mode. So if someone moves the bike, so just like that, the alarm was activated. I could disable it. All right, so that was our alarm mode. So we can go ahead and go into settings. So this here is volume mode. So I can adjust the volume, make it louder, make it quieter. High vibration. So this does have haptic feedback, which is nice. So you can have like a stronger response to that. You have different sounds. So if you power it on, we can pick and choose what sound we want. We have our different bells. And then we have our turbo mode. And then we also have our specific alarms. So that's cool. You have your speaker, Bluetooth speaker. So you can connect to it via Bluetooth and use it as an actual speaker to listen to music. You have your advanced mode, so your auto light, your network, your current settings in terms of speed limit. So you have your standard mode, which is 20 miles per hour. So they do limit that based on where you're at. So it's kind of up to you on how you want to do that. So I can change this to miles per hour. So this will show me exact how many miles per hour I'm going. You have your update mode, you have your geofence. So the geofence allows you to go ahead and create a specific electronic fence. So in other words, if the bike is taken away from that fence, it'll automatically ring it or notify you, which is pretty cool. Besides that, you have fingerprint mode. So this will allow you to go ahead and set it up in terms of being able to unlock it via fingerprint, and that's all right. So besides that, we have fingerprint mode. This allows you to go ahead and essentially customize it so it unlocks to only your fingerprint, which is going to be this sensor right over here. So that's kind of nice that they do have that. You still want to register it, and then you can use it that way as well. Now, other than that, under settings here, you have your GPS, so you can technically look up a specific location and GPS it to it. So if I choose Chicago, click Chicago, Illinois, go there, it'll automatically then send those coordinates to my screen, telling me to turn left in 0 feet, and then giving me specific readouts on where I'm going in that sense. So that is absolutely awesome that it does have that capability. So you don't have to go ahead and even like show, look at that, that's the map. How cool is that? But yeah, that's actually nice that it shows you exactly where you're going, so you don't have to worry about keep checking your phone. And then of course you have your rider stats, allowing you to go ahead and see what your honors are, your medals, your plan, your average distance, stuff like that. So overall, a pretty cool concept. And yeah, I mean, there's so much you can do with this. I mean, it even has a game mode as well. So if I click this button here, game mode, this is one of my favorite features, it has Snake. So you can go ahead and play Snake on here. I mean, what kind of bike has games on it? This is absolutely cool. So you control it by using this as a joystick essentially. And then like if you crash to the wall, awesome. All right, so let's go ahead and have Mebo try it out next and see what she thinks of it.
right, guys, so we're out here on this beautiful day. I'm Mebo. As you guys all know, we're reviewing the Chord X bike today, and this is special because it's for women like me. So this one, I really liked it. I liked basically the flow of the bike. It was nice because you can control the different speeds, and it has a really nice screen in the front where you can connect your phone, play music, there's GPS, there's games. It's wonderful, I love it. And I really like this as well, and how it's low, not like high like for the men. Very comfortable seating, and I honestly enjoyed it.
In terms of the actual ride quality, what did you think of it?
It was very smooth. I really enjoyed the ride, and it was not too hard to maneuver, so it was very flexible. I also like the screen in the front where you can connect your phone to it, and GPS, you can play games. There's a variety of things you can do with this bike. It's amazing.
You can also lower the seat post down to 160 centimeters simply by rotating it.
Yeah, no, so there's actually a lot going on with it. Now, compared to the original, this one's actually got a gearbox system in it. The other one actually was carbon belt driven. So you can actually go ahead and pick and choose your gears based on the Shimano gearbox, which is right over here. Now, aside that, any other final thoughts?
I love it. I want to ride again.
All right, well, with that said, if you guys have any questions, comments down below.
Otherwise, we'll see you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.